So we've already reached Mount...
Afternoon.
Oh, afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. So we've reached Mount Ophir or Gunung Ledang. Not the tip, just the waterfall part, and I can hear the waterfall. So we left Singapore at about 7, and then we stopped by the Kari Kambing 40 hari Muttom Curry. So it's not the typical curry that you might get from the prata place. It's very thick and sweet and full of rempah, spices. So if you ever drive up to KL or Malacca, you guys might wanna make it a point to check out the place and try it for yourself. Okay, so welcome! Done. We are heading out and looking for a place to eat for lunch. The first place that we want to go is to eat ice cream, right?
Is it?
He said it. He said he will go to Baskin Robbins now. Action only, say no. Anyway, if you're coming here with family, with your family, especially if you have like seniors or you have small kids, I would actually not recommend you to climb up. Just enjoy the kolam. The kolam in English is ponds, I think. Just enjoy those rather than you climb up, because it's quite steep and it's quite a length to go up. But the scenery is different, definitely, and if you do go up, you have the space for yourself, I guess, especially if it's on a weekday. So it depends on you and who you are here with.
Wak, macam mana senyum kambing?